Om Namaste. Welcome to our English channel Veda Sudha Shravanti. Exclusively deals with Veda Vangmai. I will present before you some of important Veda mantras from Chaturvedas. Please watch this video till the end to know beautiful meaning of Veda mantras. Title of the mantra: May not his devotee be put to loss. Om Tvanna Soma Vishwato Raksha Rajannagha Yataha Narishye Tvavatasakha. Rigved 1:6-23. Title of the mantra: Prayer. May not his devotee be put to loss. Om Tvanna Soma Vishwato Raksha Rajannagha Narishye Tvavatasakha. Rigved 1:6-23. Invocation. O God Almighty, you are Soma, the dispenser of solace in this universe. Whoever amongst us might be inclined to act sinfully, do protect us from them in every way. The righteous man devoted to you, whose intimate friend you yourself are, never come to grief in this world. Kindly so arrange that we may always be under the almighty aegis of yours, and as such may never suffer even the slightest harm from any quarter. He who is your friend and whose friend you are, O God, how shall he suffer any harm in this universe? Being a dedicated disciple of Nigamanidam Veda Gurukulam, I tried my best to present the true meaning of mantras explored by Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for the sake of Sanatana Dharma. Om Swastihi.